In this tutorial, we'll be using one of Noventri Suite's great features, importing information from a database. This feature allows your digital signage or metric board to be updated automatically by pulling content from an Excel sheet or an ODBC compliant database such as SQL, MySQL, or, as we'll be using today, Oracle. So we're going to set up a project for a packaging manufacturer. We want to show production line metrics. So first we need an Oracle driver. So let's go to the Oracle website, and for this tutorial we're going to be looking at using the Oracle Database 11G Express Edition. So accept the license agreement, then click on the Oracle Database version for Windows. We're going to download and install the driver, and after doing that it's important to restart both Noventri Suite and Noventri Server. And we also recommend restarting the server machine as well. So in this project we're going to be displaying production information for each shift. In the project page, let's choose the text field where we want the data to appear. In the Properties panel, click the Database checkbox and then Advanced. Next, select the ODBC radio button. Click on Connect, and from the Driver drop-down menu, we'll select the appropriate Oracle driver. So in this case, it's Oracle XE. So next, we'll fill out the information for the server, port, username, and password information. Now, if you're going to be connecting to your database over a network, the syntax for Oracle is // the server address and the port, and a / with a service name. But since our database is hosted locally, we can just connect using localhost. So with the information filled in, select Connect. Back in the Properties panel, click on Select. This brings up the Select Table box. Click on the green arrows to refresh the table list found in the database. Select the table you wish to pull the data from. Notice when you select the table, the select statement changes to the appropriate table name. The default select statement is select from table name. Now, depending on your server, you may have to click on the Advanced Radio button and remove the brackets from the table name to display the data correctly. The default select statement selects everything from the table name. If you need to extract more specific data, you can choose the Advanced Radio button to insert a more defined custom select statement. Now, after we've chosen the table and select statement, click on the Refresh Table button next to the select statement region. This allows us to see a preview of the table information we'll be using. Next, we need to get the data from the table to display in the appropriate area on our page. So we'll click OK. With the text region still selected, click on the Text button in the Properties panel. We will enter a formatter into the text entry box. Formatters are a way to tell Noventri Suite to pull data from a certain row and column from a database. So in order to get the information for 7th shift, we will enter bracket 7 : 1 bracket. This means we'll pull information from the 7th row and the first column of our table. To see what the data looks like in our project, click Advanced and then the Refresh Now button. Now we can see the result in the text region. We can repeat the same process to pull data into the remaining areas on the page. For a more in-depth look at using database content in Noventri Suite, you can download our database manual from the Noventri Forums download section. To learn more about Noventri, please visit us online at www.noventri.com. To stay up to date with our latest videos and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.